Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color and white color. So kids, now I draw alphabets. And first I draw A and use red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. It's neither G for God, G for glass, and U is yellow color. The alphabets of G. H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use yellow color and draw. J for joker, J for jackfruit, K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O and 1, 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5, 6, S I X 6. The numbers of 6. It's 7. The numbers of 7 and use green color. S E V E and 7. 8 E I G H T 8. Kids, again use green color and draw. 9 N I N E 9. 10 T E N 10. The numbers of 10. 11. The numbers of 11. 12. The numbers of 12. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.